Every implant surgery begins with a promise of confidence, a promise of precision, a promise to restore a smile that lasts. But even the most skilled clinicians face one critical challenge: capturing implant positions with absolute accuracy. For years, clinicians have relied on conventional impressions, multiple appointments, laboratory delays, and time-consuming workflows. Even in today's digital era, capturing precise implant positions can still be challenging. The result? More chair time, more adjustments, more uncertainty. Introducing MicronMapper, ClaroNav's next-generation dental photogrammetry system, engineered to redefine full-arch implant restorations. Powered by advanced photogrammetry technology, MicronMapper captures the exact three-dimensional position of multiple implants with exceptional precision, less than 10 seconds. No physical impressions, no distortion, no guesswork. Originally developed for aerospace and complex engineering, MicronMapper integrates seamlessly into your existing digital workflow. Compatible with modern CAD/CAM systems and designed for efficient communication between the clinic and the dental laboratory. The result is faster. With MicronMapper, clinicians can reduce treatment time, minimize remakes, and achieve highly predictable passive fit restorations. Passive fit up to 10 microns. Precision isn't measured in millimeters, it's measured in microns, with true photogrammetry precision of 5 to 15 microns based on user experience, because when every micron matters. Traditional analog implant workflow. Treatment typically requires up to 8 visits. Consultation, initial planning, implant surgery, denture pickup, 3 months after. Conventional impressions, verification gig, prototype try-in metal bar, try-in delivery of definitive prosthesis. MicronMapper, workflow. Every successful restoration is a journey. MicronMapper simplifies that journey, just at 4 visits. Consultation, initial planning immediately loaded. FPUN, interim fixed implant prosthesis, final try. Real results, real speed, real value. 20 times faster. Workflow 10 times patient satisfaction. 0 remakes, 100% passive fit rate. MicronMapper. True photogrammetry, precision 5 to 15 microns, based on user experience. Passive fit prosthesis every time, helping clinicians focus more on patient care. Fit Checker precision doesn't stop after scanning. With the optional Fit Checker, passive fit can be verified before delivery. Patients experience greater comfort with fewer appointments, and clinicians gain the confidence to deliver functional teeth within hours, not days. Whether you're an implantologist, prosthodontist, periodontist, oral and maxillofacial surgeon, MicronMapper is designed to elevate every stage of your implant workflow. Because precision isn't just about technology, it's about delivering better outcomes. Experience MicronMapper, exclusively marketed and sold in India by Mark's Biotech.